different words.
And anything I understand, you suppose that it's for your end.
Now let me try to set it straight. I still do like it, there's no hate.
But don't you get that we don't want that shit you talking all day long?
If you would try to be more real, we'd show you how it's gonna be.
Yeah, just like you really are, we would get far.
But after all is said and done, and you still think you are the one, and all your friendships and your love lives the away. No, I don't understand your mind. You really think you are this guy? And all your friendships and your love lives the away. I see you. If you would try to be less cool, perhaps we'd like the things you do.
But if